Hi guys, welcome back to Life with Peyton, and today we're doing one of y'all requests. And guess who we have back? My mom and my dad. Let's get started.
What's up? All right, let's crack these bags open.
Yeah.
That box right here, this thing is heavy.
Might be one of the chicken fries. It smells good too.
Really?
Put it in. Honey mustard, y'all. Honey mustard. Ranch.
What is that?
Carrots and celery.
Oh, for sure. We
Oh,
need
celery.
that.
Celery. I can't say it.
Celery?
Yeah, celery.
Celery.
I love
Simple.
celery.
I don't know what you were saying out your mouth. All right,
I don't know what I'm saying.
let's open and see what we got. Oh, making a mess.
Already.
Already.
Drinks.
All right. So that's the sauce. Ranch, cheese, honey mustard.
Oh, wait, there's
So what's the cheese sauce again?
I don't know. I just see people dip their food in cheese, so that's what I'm doing.
Wings?
I mean, it could taste good.
Yeah, they dip chicken,
I thought it was
everything.
fries. Oh, okay.
No. Who eats cheese with fries?
Heck, I done seen
Really?
people.
You eat cheese.
I done seen people dip
No, I
their
don't.
seafood in
Beef?
cheese. What's that?
You tell me you ordered?
That might be garlic parmesan.
Oh,
And I think
God.
this is hot chicken and barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
There we go.
This is,
You don't know?
I don't know what. Alright, so I know right there, that corn right there.
And
There's that
french
corn
fries.
right there.
And these are called Voodoo
Voodoo
fries.
fries.
Voodoo.
Requested by.
Oh, them boneless something.
We missing some.
Are you serious, bro?
Yep.
What? I called myself going over it.
So this the thighs. They didn't do boneless. They did all traditional.
Dang.
It's supposed to be boneless. That was supposed to be boneless.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Oh well. Oh well.
Yeah, oh well.
All right. So what we got? We got as requested by our viewers, Cajun corn, Voodoo fries. I threw some chicken fingers in there. I want to say this is Hawaiian chicken fingers. What's that? Hot
Soft, hot.
and barbecue wings, garlic parmesan wings, and to be honest, that's a mango habanero. I ordered 5 bites, but I don't know. It looked like boneless wings to me, so I don't know.
Right.
But we about to go to work.
And
Oh, and my favorite.
it's celery, but I hate
Bro,
carrots.
celery and carrots. That's my favorite right
He
there.
loves carrots. I love celery, but I hate
Alright.
carrots and he loves
I'm
celery.
going to taste this first right here.
Gonna get some
I guess I
celery.
can call and tell them they
Whatever.
didn't get the order right. The first time they made the order, everything was cold.
Everything will come.
And I
Yeah.
mean, everything was cold.
Yeah, like
We don't, we normally don't eat.
with,
What is this? Wingstop.
Wingstop.
You just did it because y'all requested it.
yep. But we don't like food cold. We're gonna tell you all about her story.
No, okay, I just told them, okay, I'm going to use some no more.
I wonder what it tastes like for cheese.
No, that's weird. That's honey mustard.
Tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, this is the cheese okay with.
Now, y'all know I get full quick, so let me stop. Let me eat. The only thing I ate today, guys, was breakfast. Nothing else. So I can eat more than what I normally do.
True statement.
Well, y'all know me.
She gonna eat.
I'm going to eat
Yeah.
and talk less.
That crunch.
Mm-hmm.
The cheese is so
You know
good.
what, babe? I'm surprised you had the fries first versus this. Her corn, your favorite.
Because I normally don't get to eat fries for real.
So, oh man, I cannot think of the subscriber name.
Oh, man.
But she said Cajun corn dipped in ranch. Try it.
See? I'm messing up already.
Mm-hmm.
Guys.
Just took it out.
This is actually so good.
Oh, yeah.
She's making a mess.
That ain't too bad.
None of us gone now.
That ain't too bad.
Honestly, guys, this is a hard choice to pick between the fries or the barbecue. And I'm gonna pick the barbecue. I like all
Baby
flat.
corn good.
Oh, I'm coming for it.
Mm-hmm. Gotta murder that. Murder all she wrote.
Oh,
Or you pick the right one. They got a lot of Cajun seasoning on it.
I'm surprised you eating it because corn is your least favorite.
Yep. Bumping just full of these carrots, I can tell you that.
It is good.
Told you.
With their ranch. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
I need napkin already.
Oh, but really good.
Look at
No.
me.
I'm gonna lick my hands.
I'm gonna have it now.
It's already hot.
Oh. Because it's spicy smoke barbecue or something like
Good.
that.
Wow,
Something like that.
it's so hot. I'm gonna try with the cheese.
Is it that bad for real?
She
You
haven't
know.
tasted it.
Now you know she be dramatic.
Oh, guys, don't listen to her.
They're gonna nap us right now. Alright, let me stop with this right here.
Yeah, you better. Should I try with cheese? I'm gonna try with cheese. Look at that cheesy goodness, y'all. Look at this cheese goodness.
So
Tastes good with the cheese, y'all.
this is boneless wings.
Okay.
They did look like wings to me.
So what we missing again?
Chicken thighs. But technically we're not missing that. They just made it wrong. Right? Because this is supposed to be chicken thighs, chicken thigh bites. This was supposed to be boneless wings.
You couldn't get it out for a second.
I had to think about it.
Got it.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Mm-hmm. Oh well.
Die.
Let me start one chicken thing.
You should eat this with cheese, the barbecue sauce one. It's so good with cheese.
I don't know about that, babe.
It's good, trust me.
I can't knock it though. They had to remake it. But it's good.
Yeah.
It's good. Your one was good.
Yep, they were good.
Cool.
Hey, don't eat all the cheese, paper.
I mean, it's good.
Like, think about us.
Jeez.
Man,
Is that the barbecue one?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see, because she tripping, Carl.
I should have got more cheese.
It's too much barbecue sauce.
It's good though.
Taste it with the cheese, man. It's better.
Make sure you eat all of it off your bone.
Like it?
That's straight.
It's straight.
I told you I'd be seeing people dip it.
Different.
I
Very.
told you it's good. Somebody didn't want to believe me.
Girl, you do over that. You still got meat and stuff on that?
Who cares? I'm good.
No, wait. Let me give you some of there before
She eat all.
she murder it. But,
I love barbecue sauce with wings.
alright, look at that. Now that's how you're supposed to dip it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take that big old bite.
Big old.
I know, this slip. We human.
You like it?
270.
It's alright.
Oh my. Your every answer gonna be, it's alright.
Yeah.
So
I'm gonna stick to my
ranch,
It's straight though. Different.
but straight.
Yeah, but straight.
Might as well dip this in some ranch. before I won't get overboard with the cheese.
That was a big bite. It's all on the side of my face. I'm gonna get a lot today, man.
Yeah, right.
I'm gonna try to.
Yeah, right. You're gonna eat so lot. Oh,
Yeah, real
It's
right.
okay, you know.
I know, cause you got it.
Yep. You already know.
I'm gonna bust the barbecue sauce down, the barbecue wings down.
That's the only thing you're gonna eat.
These
No.
fries good.
Yeah, they are. They really are.
Gonna get some Mountain Dew. Some Mountain Dew. I drink stuff, guys, so I might get another one.
No.
What it be?
Oh my god, I got it.
It's a lot too. You right. When you eat a second order of fries,
Told you.
Mountain
you
Dew.
Mountain.
you just don't want to spend no extra money.
Hello. You are absolutely right.
Mm-hmm.
You guys, I'm the cheap one.
Yep. And me and Daddy's the expensive one.
Dad don't buy nothing but Costa.
That's not bad.
I told you.
But the ranch.
Yeah, it's mango habanero.
Okay, now what was it again?
Wingstop, yeah.
Please don't got that on your clothes, man.
Hello.
It's a little slippery.
You got the kick, don't you?
It does.
Yeah.
Wow. And I like spicy stuff, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
That got a little whoop,
Yeah.
whoop to it.
Oh, man, hot.
Roll.
Should I go wash my hands? Because they're
Girl,
super sticky.
Girl, you better lick them fingers. Girl, like you noodle licking your fingers.
I mean, I'm a girl. I'm a girly girl. I'm not really that used yet to licking my fingers.
You ain't got time to have all 50 napkins on the table.
Oh, I'm about to grab another one.
You and your dad.
Ooh.
Excuse me.
Hey. Ooh.
What's up?
That mango habanero.
Hot. That barbecue.
Got some kick to it.
Yeah.
The barbecue got some kick to it too.
I ain't gonna lie. That corn.
That corn
is
busting.
busting.
Mm-hmm. I can't even knock that. That was a good choice.
Man.
Now, they service one a good choice, but
That's true.
the food's straight, though.
I'm gonna dip some corn and some cheese.
I'm going to try my best.
I just want a little piece of this.
Oh, well, I eat the rest. Ooh, jeez. I'm going to try my best to hang in there.
What sauce is that?
Hawaiian. Hawaiian.
Sweet.
I ain't want to get all. Look at me. You think I want to get all hot stuff?
Well, we
Yeah,
know.
I'm already about to fold.
Yeah.
That's gonna taste bad with the cheese.
For real?
For real. Okay.
That corn good, ain't it?
Especially with the cheese.
Told you.
I'll pass. You say good with honey mustard.
You ran the price.
He's in the bag acting like they're picking.
Right? And then dropping stuff still. Jeez.
It's good, y'all. I do
Ain't
not-
nothing that's on there.
I do not care what they say is good.
Ain't nothing that's on there.
Hmm?
Ain't nothing else on there.
It's gone,
You need
baby.
another one.
It's gone.
You need to get another one.
It's gone, baby.
You need another one.
You demolished it. I promise you did.
Mm-mm. I see that right there.
You need to put your mouth all over that.
Come on, sit up.
You tripping.
No, man.
I'm gonna bust all the barbecue sauce and corn
Absolutely
down.
not.
Yeah, your hot wings good. Good.
I'm gonna bust all the barbecue sauce wings and the corn down before they even get a chance to.
Shoot. You know what? Dang it. I'm drumming down the fries. But what's so special about the Voodoo fries? Because I don't take number cheese.
You tell me.
Y'all let us know what's so special about these Voodoo fries, unless they made them wrong. Because I don't take nothing but cheese.
That's all I taste.
Are we missing something? Because I don't know.
Another corn that's about to be bust down into my stomach.
Alright.
You should have bought like 2 bags of cheeses. Because I'm
Well-
busting it.
Don't eat them all the cheese. You gotta say something to somebody else.
Well,
I'm going to bust
one,
it down.
I didn't know you was going to be so greedy when it came to the cheese.
Oh my God.
I'm just saying. It's 3 of us here, not just one.
I mean, the cheese is good with everything. Even though
I
I
had
tried.
what, 1 corn? 2?
I
1?
don't know.
2.
Well, you trying shit. Look at the bag. I ain't had number 1.
I had 2.
So, let me get to this corn before they leave me out.
Better hurry up.
I'm trying to,
He's on the chicken.
He's trying to make sure he eat this
Mhm.
time.
That's your 3rd corn, I think, or 2nd.
well, Mama like corn, so that's understandable.
It's good. I can't jump down on that. It's good.
It's good. It's good.
That's why I'm eating like Miss Piggy over here.
I'm just glad you're eating this go round.
You eating a little bit, that mango habanero got my nose around.
Just keep wiping when you think it's raining. Wipe. Wipe.
It's good though.
Guys, I busted another one down.
I'm just happy you eating more in this video.
That because you so smacking. Lick your hands.
Make sure I look at 2 times.
Man. That's not bad.
It's better than our first experience.
Yeah, the first experience was horrible. I said, I'm not going to eat it again.
So we don't eat Wingstop. We ate Wingstop
Because of
one
one y'all.
time, and that was it. And ain't went back
But we had to go back today because of one of y'all requested.
for sure.
But actually, this is actually busting,
It's
even
really
though
good.
they got the order
Exactly.
a little bit wrong.
Exactly.
And plus, it was
But look, well, it wasn't wrong. It was cold.
and cold.
I'm drinking.
I bust down 2 coins and already stuck in my big teeth.
Uh-oh. You know what that means?
4.
You already know. But look, you know,
You tried your best? Great.
Your mouth hot?
yeah, my mouth, I just had a mango habanero.
Excuse me.
These chicken fingers off the chain.
No, y'all.
I mean, they soft. I mean, it ain't that crunchy.
No,
You know
it's
what I'm saying?
bad.
That hurt your mouth
Right.
when you bite into it.
Right, cut up the top of your mouth.
Heck yeah. They good.
I'm not going to taste one of those habanero thingy things.
No, don't taste that. You gonna taste one.
This one
Yeah,
or that one?
this one.
You want me to?
Yeah, whatever you don't finish, I eat it.
Oh, Lord. You might as well get the smallest one, man.
Might as well.
Fine. That's it.
That's big. You might well go for it. You touched it.
Yep.
I'm going to get this one.
Yeah. Okay, you can finish that. Dip it in some. You remember how you wanted to try that habanero pepper? Okay. So when you eat that, let me know how you like it, and I'm gonna explain to you how a habanero pepper is. Go ahead. Yes, ma'am.
What should I dip it in?
What is
ranch
it?
or honey
Ranch,
mustard?
honey mustard,
Cheese?
cheese. We love the cheese. Thank you.
No, put it all. Hurry up. Eat
Put
it
it
all at
all-
one time. Yeah. That's good. The cheese coated the flavor for you.
Probably so.
No, you feel it.
See, now you don't spend me mad. Ooh, skip it down.
Why about to drip out my mouth?
You want some water?
I'm fine. I don't like
Man, this
it.
pizza good.
Go ahead, explain to me.
So this is sweet and hot. the habanero pepper would have been 10 times higher. Oh snap! You know what I forgot? To get the picture.
Too late for that.
Whew. Huh? We'll do a selfie.
Guys, do not try that.
Y'all get it now. I'm trying to see if I can get the food. I got it.
No.
Alright, we had to take a selfie, guys.
Sorry, selfie.
It was so hard to hold my smile because of the chicken. Or whatever you call it. It's so hard to hold my smile.
Whew. Yep. I'm getting there. I ain't even gonna lie.
So tell me.
But it's good.
That's not even a bird. So tell me
I
why.
ain't burnt it. I said butt.
Oh. It sounds like. It sounds like it's a
The
bug.
habanero got to you?
I don't know.
Ooh, it got to me though.
That's surprising for you, babe.
I don't know, right?
Yeah.
Tell me why there's only one.
You need to open water when you're done with it.
You want my water, but she can have it.
You shouldn't add more than one.
Give me your water. Please.
Dang.
You don't need brother, bro.
I'm not a brownie girl. If you want to call, you can. I can call you one. But
That's so good. I don't want to put my chicken finger down just to open the water.
Man.
No backwash, please. Don't spit in my water.
I don't.
You don't know what you're doing.
Okay.
Bro, you acting so extra.
So extra.
Okay, that cooled me down. Excuse me, but a little bit of fire still in my mouth, but that cooled me down for the most part.
Oh, now open up some wrong, buddy. Yes, sir.
So, I thought I had the burger, right?
Go ahead.
It didn't happen. I don't got that ability you got.
Me and Mama, we got because remember.
I think you talking too much. Now.
Wait, because remember at the first start of the video, I burped so long.
At the first song of the video?
Yeah,
I missed
remember?
that.
No, you and Mom was like, dang. Remember that?
At this video? Yeah. Dang, I got bad memory. Seriously.
I think it's just because he's sleepy.
No.
No, I'm not sleeping. Hold on, Charlie.
This is so hot.
sleepy.
But got the last barbecue and I don't want that much barbecue, so I'm gonna go ahead. Just gonna wipe. Cause I don't like that much barbecue on my stuff. You know, y'all
So,
already.
the garlic parmesan. Oh, my bad. Go ahead.
Y'all already know what I'm gonna dip this in. The cheese. Yeah, yummy cheese. Yeah, yummy cheese. Cheese. I love cheese.
The garlic parmesan should have been wet
I'm
versus dry.
still talking. But anyway.
I should have did lemon pepper.
What you was talking about, honey?
What
Don't
Everybody
cheese.
knows you want cheese. Hey, no, whoa. Don't stick that back in there. You just lick that. Hey, well, you better peel and dip. No, not even that. Just eat. See, look.
God, dog, little sloppy.
It's good.
Whoa.
Bro.
Set that right there.
Listen,
And take that cup and
you see how you had that in your mouth?
right. No, ma'am. Yeah, no.
Man.
Sit it on the side. Some, but yeah, no. There you go. That's enough.
That's enough.
That's enough. Yep. I appreciate it.
Oh my
Lick your
god.
hand. Lick your hands, Spencer. Yeah. There we go. Hey, come on. Yeah, pick it up. There you go. Yeah, because I no. Definitely not gonna eat that up high. You. Excuse me.
I'll probably make my loose tooth come out with
Really?
this. Yeah, with it. This one I can't really wiggle it.
That mean it ain't loose.
Look.
Man, that thing ain't moving.
Ooh,
It's
child,
moving.
look at it. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. disgusting.
Yeah, I see your finger.
Don't get it started now.
Yeah, I told you I was moving.
She said I got a loose tooth, but I can't barely wiggle it.
I can't barely wiggle it because I have something in my hand.
That's right.
Right.
All
Got
right.
it.
Keep it in your hand. Eat.
Hello.
All right. So these boys right here are super hot.
They are.
I'm finna dip it in the barbecue sauce.
But barbecue sauce got spice to it, kind of.
Barbecue sauce straight. Barbecue sauce good. This got my nose running. Got my ears all red. You see?
You always hot. Anyway.
I'm smacking on this barbecue sauce like they
Oh, that was good.
Yeah.
Finally.
First time.
Guys, I'm smacking on this barbecue sauce chicken like they ain't even talking. I'm like, just ignoring them.
How rude.
Oh man, we got them too. Hold on.
Say one more for that. Say one more for that.
You trying to see one for yourself?
Nah, y'all can have it. I'm eating my carrots and my celery.
You're already, you need to eat.
I have been. I'm full. That's that for wings. I had a lot of these.
I can tell you how much I ate.
I had 2.5 chicken fingers. I'm gonna eat that last one. Cause y'all sure ain't touching them.
I had one.
Half.
I had a whole one and a half.
Oh, no, ma'am, I ate it.
Well, that is so I had 2 halves and make a whole. Got it.
No, you didn't. You only had half, crazy. Yes, you did.
Dad, can I have this?
Yeah.
Thank the Lord.
I
You
had
broke
2
it.
halves and a half.
No, you didn't.
I mean, I had
You had just one half.
Really?
It
What
was
was the total in there? 4?
4. I had 2.5. It's one left.
So, bro, you telling me I only had
A half. Yes.
Man, no.
Bro, you tripping.
No.
It was.
Nah.
Oh, that habanero hit the back of my toe. Wrong. Yeah, babe. You broke it. Please comment down below and let her know she ain't had nothing but a half of them chicken fingers.
I thought I had 2 halves. 2 halves equal one whole, right?
Baby, you broke it, and
That's
I
a
ate the other
fraction.
half.
That's a fraction you just made up.
Right. You
My
know what?
nose, I
Don't
think.
worry about it.
Is my nose really?
No, bro. Your shirt shows is eating the same food you eat. Well,
It's good.
jacket.
My Dear Homecoming, #1 on Netflix.
Hey, man, that
That
was
shit
fun.
was funny.
That was funny. That was super funny, y'all.
I ain't never laughed so hard at a Madea movie,
Sorry.
but I laughed at that one.
That was funny. I'll watch it again.
Yeah.
Wait, from
Probably have to watch
Riverdale?
it tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah. As if we don't go to sleep.
From Riverdale?
We might not go to
You
sleep.
said Madea
You said Madea.
Homecoming.
What's that? I just want to know what is that.
You know what? I'm going to continue to eat.
Just tell me what is it?
Don't worry about
This
it.
is
It don't matter. So you done? You got some more chicken on that bone.
I know, I'm still eating. It's just too hot.
You need to.
you being so extra, my guy.
It's good. I had a guy. My girl, he could have said.
Hey, napkin. Wipe your hands. Another one. Come on, please.
Ooh, I already
Open
got
it up.
2.
Hey, I ain't even gonna lie. Oh, my inside is on fire.
I'm
Mine too.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm with you. Mine too.
no.
Excuse me.
Ooh.
From what, the habanero?
Heck yeah.
Dad, can you give me some water?
Child, hey. Can we get...
No.
Ooh,
My
that's
mouth is
so
on
bad.
fire. I at least try to like do this.
Every time I breathe in, it's like a habanero hit my throat. Woo. All right, baby, stop being so dramatic. I'm okay now, so are you okay now?
No.
Oh, okay. Ugh.
You didn't even drink that much water. You know, get your water on.
Yeah, I want to know what.
You fool.
I got that itis.
At least it's not full.
I'm full. That's why I got the itis.
Ooh, I wish there was more cheese.
No.
Now nobody don't dip my cheese. Don't dip my cheese.
Well,
Hold on.
Actually, you didn't even know I ordered cheese.
Right.
Did you?
We didn't know
Yes.
what he ordered.
Exactly. Y'all just went to go pick it up.
No, Mama told me you ordered cheese. I'm like, oh, okay.
Okay.
Did I really?
Man, no, but these two don't remember anything.
Well, one, I didn't tell you what I ordered because I didn't tell your mama.
I asked him to send me a picture of what he ordered.
And I'm pretty sure he tells you what was it.
I sent her the picture.
You
Right?
sent me a picture.
What the heck was that?
I don't know.
I don't want another habanero. It's too hot for
Gosh,
me.
it made that hot.
I know. That's probably what the problem was because I drunk this afterwards.
God, yeah, no, ooh,
Ooh.
goodness.
See, you feel my pain.
You
Now,
know, she felt our pain.
Listen, you had this much.
Okay,
You had.
it's hot.
Golly.
It's hot.
Yeah, no. Don't drink.
Ooh.
Don't drink your
drink
stuff.
your drink after you. What's that again?
Mango
After
habanero.
you eat a mango habanero, anything.
What was I just
Man.
saying? What was I just saying?
Jesus.
It got my inside burning. Like,
Yeah, that was a bad mistake.
It's making my nose.
Listen.
It feels like it's making my nose run.
it's real good. Don't get me wrong. But it's real hot.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, who wants the last two coins? Cause I'm gonna bust both of them down if y'all don't want it.
Baby, one of them gonna be your mama's. You need to finish busting that wing down right
It
there.
still got chicken on.
I do not care. I want this. Cheese, please.
Yeah, it's not right there, but go ahead. That's fine, go ahead.
I'm trying to burp.
Me too, again.
Yeah, it won't come.
Man.
It was good though.
It was. I have no complaints. It was real good.
Yeah.
Listen to this ASMR.
Well, you know it only works well if you have a mic.
Right.
That way they can hear it. Because the mic is over there. That's why we're talking regularly. But if you had a mic on your jacket, it'll work better.
Wait, where's the mic?
On the phone.
Oh,
So I was watching this video.
I am doing ASMR.
They can't hear
They
you.
can't hear you.
Oh.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
You wasn't listening.
Everything I said went over your head.
Oh, no.
My nose.
You remember how you did me?
No.
Hey, bad. But I was watching this guy, right? I was watching a video of a guy who shoot little short videos.
Okay.
And he became successful and popular off of it. He said he shoot all his videos on an Android phone.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And edit them on an iPhone.
That makes no sense, but okay, keep
Okay.
going.
So, you know, Android always try to up Apple.
Correct.
So an Android camera got more megapixels. So depending on the Android he got,
Right.
he
Okay.
get better video quality. And he do all his editing from the iPhone.
Got
The
it.
corn hot.
Yeah. All right, that was up.
That's right.
Guys, I have like little of this because it's hot. The corn
With
hot.
food falling out your mouth.
God dang, your teeth okay?
You heard it? I got strong teeth.
That thing's like, yeah, damn.
I got strong teeth, okay?
Whew.
And I
Listen,
think I threw a food
My
on
hand
you.
feels so naked. Oh,
your hand fell naked?
because I got my ring on.
Oh shoot, your bad.
I know, right?
Yeah. You trick or treat. You trying to go find a dude out there one.
Child, don't
Don't
even.
you do that. Don't you do that.
This
Don't
is
even.
my YouTube channel.
You try.
This is my YouTube video.
No,
Yeah, sure you left that when you got home. It's okay.
no, but
It's okay. Don't do it. Don't
y'all,
do it.
trust me.
Don't
Definitely
do
not the
it. Golly. Relax. You about to cry?
Guys, cry baby.
She
It's
was out-
okay, poor
Listen,
baby.
she-
It's okay, poor baby.
She wasn't behaving. She wasn't behaving when y'all were there.
Oh, she was behaving.
Okay.
See that?
Yeah, she gonna tell you.
Oh, we
Well,
know.
she was actually behaving.
Hey,
Hey, let's turn around. Turn around.
Yeah, just talk to
No, don't
She
even worry
was
about it.
actually behaving, but
But what?
she kind of, I'm not gonna say like,
She got mad at you?
No.
I'm not saying because you probably deserved it.
she almost cussed the people out.
Oh, because they probably said something.
No, one of the employees like smirked, like a laugh smirk, and then laughed while he was talking.
It was a dude.
Yeah.
Oh, you should have let me pull it up.
Nah, I'm also.
See?
Oh, I had already handled it.
Golly.
I would try to cuss him out.
What?
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you know what? We need to get back to eating.
Oh, I ain't got no room.
and I
That's
need
why I'm talking, because I ain't got no room.
and I need to
Got
get
it.
back. And I need to get back to burpee.
I got it.
Excuse
You
me.
tripping hard.
Don't worry about it.
My room is gone.
Can I keep the cheese first of all?
Yeah, baby, have the cheese, baby. God, what, you acting like a fiend.
But what you finna eat with the cheese? I hope not your fingers. No, man. Hey, hold on. What you had before you ate?
Nothing. Y'all was home all day long, so how would I have?
So this is the camera.
It's the
view.
camera you got.
You got it.
Got it.
You got it. This is how you have to act for the camera.
Mm.
Perfect. So we know every time, because this is the third video.
Where's the corn?
Baby, you
Right.
ate yours.
Hey,
For somebody that like corn, you sure been eating a lot of it
She tore
today.
that crap up. Maybe we need to sprinkle a little Cajin seasoning on there.
there's no more corn,
I
guys.
have some cheese.
There's no more corn.
Alright. So
Don't eat that.
these going up for another day.
Dang.
These is done with. I'm gonna set these to the side.
Cool.
Them done with. Cause
So nobody wants the cheese, right?
Take some of that cheese. Huh?
gotta eat the cheese.
Eat cheese. Eat cheese.
You know what? It was a good thing to grab all these napkins because it was needed.
And you don't know how many napkins I picked up?
More power to you because
The whole entire time?
you've been licking your fingers.
And it's only been
Dad, look.
2, 3, 4,
Mom,
5.
look.
Well, great for you.
Look.
I picked up 4 napkins. You just short some seafood?
No. Calm down.
It's the camera, huh?
Right.
Yeah.
Lights, camera, action.
Lights, camera, action.
Lights, camera, clown.
Be a clown. Hey, you got to tell me about that time.
Oh, nah.
Well,
No.
Yeah.
That gay Lord.
You
You know
got
about gay Lord?
Yeah.
No, I can't tell that story. Okay, the habanero hit me again. That was a funny story,
Oh,
though.
man. I'm going to say no camera clown.
Hey, listen.
Is
That's
there anything
funny.
on my fish?
I don't know, but you sure smacking loud in my ear.
Dad, look. Is there
Yeah, we
anything on
had a
my
lot.
face?
Your face.
We had a lot.
Is there anything on my face?
Oh, yeah, I'm finna kill that last chicken finger. And buzz that boy
You
down.
need to find another piece of chicken to finish with that cheese. Ain't no another one, Peyton. Is that another one, darling? You better get one of these, Dip.
I really want a bird.
So you won't be, hey, so you won't slang nothing. Look at you.
Look at her hand. Look at her hand. You see that? And she choose to pat me. Do you see this? And she choose to pat me on my back.
I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick, y'all. Excuse me, that.
Oh.
And then I'm gonna get back to eating.
All right. So now that we done finally got rid of her, welcome to the mom and dad show. No, I don't want that on me.
Don't be extra.
Shit, I told you that's the camera, huh?
No, it's not.
Lord, have mercy. That's just drink.
Drink.
Yeah, the bottom of my drink
You
stuff.
need water.
Well, yeah, condensation. Now, since you want to be technical,
Next. You know what? See. Jeez. Why?
I don't know.
Why you gotta? Where you got all these shoes? Hey, you on another couch over here.
Baby.
Come
Baby.
down, come down. Can
Can we bring it from 10 to
here
5? 10 to 5, please.
Please. See, you don't eat nothing else.
Bring it from 10 to 5. Let me look.
Is that trash? Let me get that trash.
Oh, it's good right there. Gone. Woosah for a minute.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
You know what I think you put it in. We need to.
Mariah, baby.
Okay. Baby, let her in.
Okay. 10 to 5.
Hey,
Okay?
bring it down
10
a
to
notch.
5. 10 to 5.
Bring it down a
10
notch.
to 5.
Okay. Come on.
10 to 5, little girl. 10 to 5. 10
I'm
to
not
5.
little.
Yeah, you are.
I'm 8 years old.
10 to 5. Oh, yeah, I already know what that means.
Yeah, baby.
Oh. Y'all already know what that means.
Yeah, buddy.
You done?
I think I'm done today.
I
Okay.
think I'm finna try to eat the last,
This
I double dog dare you.
This
I quadruple dog dare you.
Just,
With the cherry on top.
Why are you doing all that?
I am. So are you gonna eat it or in the video?
Baby,
Hey.
why are you doing all of that?
Baby, calm down.
10
Please.
to
I
5.
don't understand.
Let me see.
Please.
Did that turn you down? Because
Please.
I don't
Okay,
know.
come on.
Did somebody fart?
Okay, look, do me a favor. Hey.
Can you get your head
Can
on?
you act like regular paper?
Bring these regular paper back. Reel it back in.
Come on.
Reel it back in. Come on, baby.
Come on.
Come on. Relax. Pull yourself together. Woosah.
Are you gonna eat the thing before I end the video, or you want me just eating the video?
Yeah, you go
You
ahead.
go ahead.
Guys, before I end the video, I'm gonna eat fry.
Regular paper, please. No, please. No. Baby, what is wrong? Okay, I think the parents can end the video, huh?
I'm not like the Joker.
You like the Joker?
No, I'm laughing.
Hi guys, this is the end of the video.
I got it.
Make sure you sure?
Yes.
Make sure you
No. Hi guys. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
click that notification bell.
Please out. Thank
Drop
you.
down in the comments and let us know what we should do next. Popeyes was requested. We did that. Wingstop was requested.
We just did it.
We just conquered Wingstop. Well, I tried to conquer Wingstop, but it was good.
It was.
So yeah,
It was.
A fry with cheese.
comment down below what we should do next. Thank you everybody for tuning in.
Never mind, I don't want to fry. I'm too full.